In this video, I'm going to talk about my two favourite penny stocks that I'm looking at the moment and are personally involved in at the moment, and that's BNGO and that's Churchill Capital Corporation. Welcome back to the channel, guys. If you're new to the channel, please consider heading down and subscribing so you don't miss any future content coming out. There'll be plenty of it. And while you're down there, give it a little like as well. If of course you enjoy the content, wait until the very end until you enjoy the content and then give it a little like, just to show your support. A video like this was obviously going to happen at some point in the coming days. There has been massive moves with CCIV, Churchill Capital, smaller moves but still big moves in the grand scheme of things from BNGO, BioNanogenomics. BioNanogenomics, last time I looked, was 9% up and Churchill Capital was 35% up. I haven't looked in about 5 minutes. That will have changed. We've got news over the weekend for BNGO, and that's why we had a small surge at the moment, and that's at least I think why. And we've had more rumours of the merger and CCIV getting closer to doing a deal with Lucid Motors. Michael Klein there, heading up that SPAC, is getting much closer to doing a deal with Lucid Motors to take them public. So they're the two bits of news we've had, which has caused them to surge up. Overall today, bit of a red day really, but actually in my main portfolio, which is far more well-established blue chip companies, ETFs, funds, income funds, I've pretty much broken even, which is quite nice to see when I'm dealing with a few more penny stocks and they're so volatile and you get big red days, big green days. It's nice to have a bit of consistency with a main portfolio with blue chips, dividend payers, and actually as of today, I've just reached £200 in 1 month, 205, which is about $285 in 1 month on pure passive income in the form of dividends. I'll do a video on that later in the week. But as of today, let's get into the computer. We'll go with both BNGO and CCIV, have a look at the news today and have a look at the price action. The market's still open as of right now, although I'll be getting this video out tomorrow, so it'll be interesting to see what they're doing as of right now. So here we are on the portfolio, high risk portfolio, trading 212. We are account value 2855. We are up nearly 15%, 14.6%, which is great. But let's have a look at the two things we need to be able to look at. Let's have Churchill first. Come on then, Churchill, let's be having you. So as of today, price movement's gone a bit mad. It's just starting to settle, I guess, around the $52 mark by the looks of it, but with 30% up today. We have had highs of $58. We're down at around 52, just under 52. I reckon it's probably going to find a level around the $50 mark. We'll have a look at why in a second. Just had a text from my mum who says she's 195% up on CCIV. There you are. My mum's probably a better investor than you lot. No, I'm joking. But look, she's obviously done all her own homework and not trusted me. I'm not a financial advisor. I don't take this as financial advice. This is for entertainment purposes only. Obviously, my mum's gone and done her own homework and decided that it's definitely a good company to get into, and she's 195% up. I'm 160, so she actually got into it at a better price than me. Man, that's embarrassing. Anyway, BioNano, let's have a quick look at that. So as of today, we are up 9.17%, 9.9%, 9.09, just over 9% up to date in BioNano. So this is an easy one. Let's go straight into it. So BioNano, the big news here was the fact that institutions are buying into BioNano now. So we've got, this is NASDAQ website. This gives you the breakdown of BioNano institutional holdings. So 3.48% of BioNano is held by institutions. So it gives you a list of who is in BioNano. We've got some big names down here, Northern Trust Corp, we've got BlackRock somewhere down here, and obviously you've probably already seen the number one change in holdings, not changed, the number one holdings here is Vanguard. You all know I'm a big fan of Vanguard and their ETFs. So the fact that Vanguard Group have been buying into BioNano and increased their position by 28.144% is huge news. Pretty confident in saying, and you can correct me if I'm wrong, please do. Pretty confident in saying that that news came out over the weekend. Can't really find any other serious news for BNGO. So I'm thinking it is just the fact that news came out that Vanguard bought up another 28%. On the Twitter here, all we've had today is just further announcement of this webinar, Beginner's Guide to Optical Genome Mapping. A webinar about a beginner's guide to optical genome mapping. I don't imagine that's going to have a dramatic impact on the share price by any means. We had that back on the 12th of February as well. Again, correct me if I'm wrong, but I can't imagine that's going to have a dramatic effect on the share price. But knowing that an institution as large as Vanguard and well known as Vanguard buying into it, that will have a dramatic effect. So we've had some good news and we have gone up, what are we now? 10%. There we are, up to $15. I was always confident we were getting up to $15 in BNGO. I'm going to keep holding BNGO. I'm not selling out, I'm not adding more. I'm just going to hold it for the moment and see where it goes. As it stands, I'm 85% up. My first holding in BNGO was at $2.50. So at $2.50, I would have been far higher, and then I averaged up quite dramatically. My average price now is $8. So I averaged up quite a lot. I put a lot more money into it because I had some more money and I believed in them. Let's have a look at CCIV now. So we're on Yahoo Finance, exclusive Lucid Motors near SPAC deal as Klein launches financing. So sources have come from Reuters here. Luxury electric vehicle maker Lucid Motors Inc. is getting close to a deal to go public at roughly $12 billion. That's the valuation after veteran deal maker Michael Klein's blank check acquisition firm, as a SPAC firm, launched a financing effort to back the transaction. People familiar with the matter said on Tuesday. Don't exactly know where this is coming from, but go and have a look at this article if you want to read through it. We don't need to be reading through it. The fact is, news has broken that Lucid Motors is getting much closer to doing a deal with CCIV, and the share price on that basis has jumped. This is only rumours still, not rumours as such. We're getting closer to a deal being announced, but we're not formally, a deal hasn't been agreed. This still could go either way. They could not reach an agreement and it couldn't go through. It might not go through, but as it stands, it's looking better and better. Now, as we are Churchill Capital, so it's dropped just below the $50 mark as of right now. Market's still open for quite some time. We're 25% up on the day. What am I doing with CCIV? We've got no formal confirmation of the merger yet, so I'm going to hold until we've got formal confirmation. Once we've got firm confirmation, I imagine the share price will rocket again, and even at that point, if I'm feeling more and more confident in the stock itself, I may well just hold on and keep it potentially as a Tesla, where I'm going to hold it for years and years and years, because I actually, going back again, go and check some of my old videos on Lucid, but I check out the website. I genuinely think they're a fantastic vehicle maker. The cars look amazing, so I may take just some profits off the table potentially just to cover myself, but no, believe in Lucid for the long term, and if Churchill are the ones taking them public, then obviously I believe in Churchill. So that's what I'm doing with CCIV, that's what I'm doing with BNGO. I'll give you a quick glimpse as a little gift to you of my portfolio again, the red, the green, a few red bits in there now. Mustang was doing pretty well and it's come back down. We've got a few that are doing pretty well. Protelix Biopharmaceutics aren't doing very well. Zomedica will come back up, I'm positive of it. And actually I've had a good day in uranium energy mining company, ticker symbol UEC. They're up 8.5% today, which is great as well. So anyway, that's what I wanted to show you. CCIG, BNGO, two great stocks that are no longer penny stocks, or certainly BNGO was when I got into it, isn't now. CCIV isn't at all, but two great stocks that I always thought were going to do well and believed in, have done very well, and I will be holding them for the near future. So there we are, some big moves today. I hope you enjoyed that video. I'm going to end it as soon as I possibly can because that would have been quite long. So I'll just wrap it up there. Like, subscribe, comment, share, do all the good stuff just to help support the channel. Helps me get the message out there. And I'll catch you guys in the next video. See you later.